What's good, tribe? Chief Blackrock, back with another presentation. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and share. Now let's begin. Witnessing your becoming. Growth is often invisible while it is happening. Wisdom is learning to recognize the person emerging through the process. Most people recognize transformation only after it has occurred. Looking backward. Connecting the pieces later, understanding the lesson after the storm has passed. But what if part of growth is learning to witness your becoming while it unfolds? To observe the person emerging from the experiences of life. To recognize change before it becomes obvious. Becoming is not instant. Human transformation is rarely sudden. It often occurs through small moments. Small choices, small lessons, small adjustments, repeated over time. Many seek dramatic change, yet lasting transformation is often gradual. The mountain rises grain by grain, the person you once were. Every person carries former versions of themselves. The child, the teenager, the wounded self, the uncertain self, the reactive self, the hopeful self. Many identities have existed within one lifetime. The person you are now is already evidence of becoming. Why growth often goes unnoticed. Growth becomes difficult to recognize because people live inside their own experience. They see what remains unfinished, what still hurts, what still needs work, what still feels difficult. Often they miss what has improved, what has healed, what has matured, what has strengthened awareness, tends to focus on lack. Witnessing notices evolution, trials as sculptors, experiences shape people, pain, love, loss, failure, friendship, responsibility, disappointment, success. Each leaves impressions upon character. Life continually sculpts identity through experience. The question becomes, what is being shaped? Witnessing without judgment. Many people observe themselves through criticism. Few observe themselves through understanding. Witnessing does not require self-condemnation. It asks, what am I learning? What patterns are changing? What strengths are emerging? What wounds are healing? Observation creates awareness. Awareness creates choice. The hidden signs of becoming. Growth often appears as increased patience, better boundaries, emotional regulation, greater self-awareness, improved discernment, expanded empathy, more intentional choices. These changes may seem small, yet they often represent profound transformation. Identity is not fixed. Many people treat identity as permanent, but identity evolves. The self is influenced by experience, reflection, learning, community, challenge, purpose. What you are becoming is not necessarily what you once were. Growth permits revision, the role of reflection. Reflection allows a person to recognize development. Without reflection, lessons may repeat, patterns may remain hidden, growth may go unnoticed. Reflection creates continuity between experience and wisdom. Becoming through conscious participation. Life changes everyone, but conscious participation changes the quality of transformation. Some drift through change unconsciously. Others engage intentionally. They ask, who am I becoming? What values am I embodying? What habits am I reinforcing? What future am I moving toward? Awareness accelerates refinement. Gratitude for the process. Many wait until arrival to feel gratitude, but becoming itself contains value. Every lesson, every challenge, every breakthrough, every setback, every act of growth. The process itself deserves recognition. You are not only experiencing life, life is shaping you. Every decision, every hardship, every act of courage, every lesson, something is emerging. Witness it. Not with arrogance, not with self-condemnation, but with awareness. because growth often becomes visible the moment you learn to pay attention. Witnessing your becoming is the practice of recognizing transformation while it unfolds. The person you seek to become is often emerging long before you fully recognize their arrival. I appreciate you all for joining me. Until next time, peace.